Hi, my name is Adhiraj Tyagi. I am a doctor by profession, living in Indore, 55/3 New Palasya. We were having renovations all over our house, and when we felt the need for an elevator to connect the bottom two floors to the rest of the house, we found out about Nibav Lifts from our architect, who told us about the lift and how it's good for one to two people. And that's when we had a Nibav Lift installed in our house. My experience with the lift has been absolutely amazing. We were unsure at first, but after using the lift a few times, I realized that the lift is absolutely safe, especially for children and for older people of the house. There was this one incident that we had when all of a sudden, while the lift was being used, the electricity had gone out. When the lift safely and without any problems occurring to the passengers, which was my mother, the lift safely went down to the bottom floor and opened automatically. I was very grateful for that day. We wanted a lift that looked sleek and cool for the house. We did not want it to stand out from the house. We did not want it to be a sore to the eyes. We knew that we only had space for a lift that could for one or two people at the most. We don't have a lot of people in our family. So this lift particularly was within our budget, and it was friendly for the house. My first impression of the lift was absolutely great. It was hard for me to believe that such an amazing work was being done under such budget. At first it was very tough, but once we started using the lift, it became absolutely very useful to the house. It absolutely blends in with the interior of the house. The lift doesn't stand out. It is not sore to the eyes. It blends in with the house absolutely perfectly. We've had a few family friends come over, and each one of them complimented us on how beautiful the lift was. Everyone wanted to ride in it, and we happily allowed them to do so. Absolutely go for it. The lift is absolutely safe. It blends in with the house. It doesn't stand out. And it's very, very safe, especially for young children and grown adults.